my name is Menina Givens. I am an Elite Executive Senior Sales Director.
And my name is Martica Jenkins, and I am a National Sales Director with Mary Kay.
Tika, with us, both having grown up with a Mary Kay mom, I just am remembering the things that she used to say to us because she was so positive. What you think about, you bring about. And if you believe it, you can achieve it. You remember all those things. She was so positive.
Yes, always so positive, always telling us we can do anything that we put our mind to.
The values that she instilled in us are values that we'll have forever, that not only made an impact on us, but now we in turn are passing it on.
Absolutely. All of our children are very successful, and we pass those values that mom, poured into us to them. So it's just amazing how that just gets passed down from generation to generation.
I know that we're sisters, but I also feel like the sisterhood of Mary Kay, don't you feel some of our very best friends are people that we didn't even know. Me 28 years ago, for you 30 years ago. We didn't even know them.
Yes, absolutely. I love the sisterhood for not only the fact that my biological sister is in Mary Kay, but that I've made so many other sisters in the business. And the culture of working together and winning together has just been amazing. Mary Kay would be so proud to know that we have continued her culture of sisterhood and her culture of helping one another, of building one another up and praising each other. That culture has been passed down through the company, through our national sales directors and sales directors, and it's going to continue because that is the foundation.
Yes, and mom would be so proud of us too.